Hi guys, oh my gosh, we're trapped in this Tesla right now and it's just taking us somewhere. It's doing it automatically.
I'm not driving. You can see the wheel steering by itself right here, and I don't have my feet on the pedals at all. I don't know where it's taking us, guys.
I'm freaking out because we've been trapped in here for a while and it's just taking us to another location and I have no idea where it's going. I hope it's somewhere sunny, like Disneyland.
Give us the thumbs up, guys, to wish us good luck, that it brings us to a good place.
This is like a possessed Tesla or something because it's creeping me out. Stop.
What the heck? Whoa! It's turning. Look at it turning by itself. Whoa! This is so weird. I don't have my feet on the gas pedals or anything.
Oh, gosh! Well, Chad, where are we? What's happening?
I think we've been here before. I recognize this place.
Have we?
Yeah, I think so.
Well,
Something on the screen's popping up.
Oh my god!
Chad and V, I have a little game for you to play. And if you don't complete it, I will delete your YouTube channel. In front of me are 3 caves. Soon, you will exit the vehicle and find these caves. Each cave has a different task you must complete, so choose wisely. If you choose the cave right in front of me here, you will have to smash an egg on top of your head. If you choose this tunnel over here, you will be required to delete one of your YouTube videos. And then finally, this tunnel here, you will have to eat a tarantula spider. Choose now which tunnel you want to go through.
Is this for real? Is this really gonna happen?
Whose hands are those? Is that someone we know?
Yeah.
Like someone's tricking us?
Cause like this is just getting out of hand, you guys. I don't want to have to delete anything on my channel.
And I don't want to eat a tarantula or break an egg on my head.
I mean, these practical jokes are just not funny anymore. I mean, whoever it is, come up with it. We're sick of this.
In case it is real, I guess we better choose one. I think we should keep an eye on the box with the egg. That's probably the one that we should probably do. So let's keep an eye on that one with the egg, okay?
All right, you guys keep an eye on it too, because we need more eyes on this.
Yeah, all right, let's watch it.
Have you chosen your cave? Then I will now shuffle them.
All right, guys, comment down below which box I should pick. Comment V1, V2, or V3. Who should go first?
I think I would like to go first.
I mean, I would like to go first too, because the odds are better for whoever's going first. So, like, how do we decide, like, who's gonna go first?
I think I'm gonna go first.
Can you get out?
No. Well, how are we supposed to play this stupid game if you had... Oh!
Crap! It just opened automatically.
I guess that means you're going first. Do I have to wait in here now, or what? Whoa! So that means I'm going second then, or?
I guess we just better follow instructions to the T.
I guess. Let's go outside and see where this takes us.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, look! There's the tunnels, guys.
That must be the one that he's talking about.
Yeah, so let's see, that's tunnel 1, that's tunnel 2, and tunnel 3. So which one did you think had the eggs in it, V?
I thought it was tunnel 3. I'm not quite sure though, but that's what I'm hoping.
All right, so tunnel 3 then is that one. I hope you're right, V, because I know you don't want to eat a tarantula.
Or delete a video on my YouTube channel. I just came back. All right, guys, I really hope we get the eggs because I don't want anything else in any of those tunnels. Are you gonna come with me or?
I think I'm gonna stay out here because I need to decide which one I want to take. Do I want to try to eat a tarantula or do I want to delete a YouTube video? I'm gonna think about that while you go in your tunnel, so I can't decide.
Okay, come on, guys, let's go. Oh, it kind of smells like pee. Whoa, look at this gate here. It's like I'm caged in. I hope it doesn't fall down on me. Super, super steep. Oh my gosh. Everything's really rough. Oh my gosh, I thought I touched a tarantula or something. Ah! I'm not quite sure where it is or like what to look for. I'm looking for an egg, but I'm also trying to avoid a tarantula if I happen to be in a tarantula cave. I saw these like random writings here. I wonder if the mysterious guy is like leaving some clues for us, like revealing his true identity. Another gate? I mean, I don't know if I can fit through here. It's completely locked. These chains are here. Do I have to break in? I think I found it! Is this the egg? Oh, is this the miracle egg? Woo! I'm so glad. Is that a tarantula? I've never been happy to see an egg before. All right, I guess I'm just gonna put this egg in my backpack and make my way out of here. It's kind of creepy in this tunnel anyway, so come on, let's get out of here. These wires are actually kind of handy now. Guess what I had to do, Chad?
I don't see any egg in your hair.
No.
So you had to delete a video?
No, I had to eat a tarantula. Oh.
Actually, I'm really glad because I didn't want to eat the tarantula. So I'm glad you did.
Just kidding. I got the egg.
Oh, man. That means I need to either eat a tarantula or I need to delete a YouTube video?
Yeah.
I don't want to do either of those. Wait, I gotta.
No.
I'll crack it on my own head.
No.
Do you gotta crack the egg on your head now or should I go through my tunnel first?
I don't know. Maybe you should go to your tunnel first.
Okay. All right. Which tunnel should I do? Guys, vote down below. I think I'm going to want to eat a tarantula.
Chad, I'm gonna wait out here for you because I don't want to bump into a tarantula. But I think you should go in tunnel number 1.
Number 1.
Because Chad, you're number 1.
Oh, thanks. I was thinking number 1 as well. I feel like he probably would have put the spider in number 1.
Why?
I don't know, because I think he thinks that I would choose number 2.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe he knows me really well. Guys, you already voted, but I think I'm gonna go with number 1. Let's go check out number 1 here. I'm feeling like a tarantula's in here. That's what I want. I don't want to just delete a video. Okay, it's got a cool little step here. I guess I just gotta jump up. You know, now that I'm up here, I'm having second thoughts. I feel like the delete YouTube videos in this one. So I don't want to go on here. I'm not getting the tarantula vibe in this one. So I think I'm gonna come back down and I'm gonna go in tunnel number 2. If it's wrong, you guys are probably like, Chad, stop, no. Little crack down here I gotta get through. Okay. Guys, I think I'm in the right place because I do see some cobwebs up there in the corner. So maybe there's a tarantula hanging out. I don't want to eat a tarantula, but I guess that's better than deleting a YouTube video, so. I'm not seeing any more cobwebs anymore. That has me a little bit concerned. Oh, I see a bunch of light up here. Is this like a way out or something? Okay, it's kind of a dead end here. There's a wall. There's like a crack here, but I can't fit through it. So I'm looking for a spider. I don't see any cobwebs or anything. What do you guys see if you look around? Can you guys see up there higher? Oh wait, what the heck is this? See if I can reach it. It's way up there. You guys see this? It's a computer. Wait a second. I found a computer before. Made us do a challenge before. And this kind of looks like the same computer, actually. Well, guess I'm gonna just keep this and bring it back. And I don't see any tarantulas or any notes that say I need to delete a YouTube video. So I guess I'll just go back out, meet up with V, have her crack the egg over her head, and then maybe I'll find a tarantula on the way out. I don't know. All right, guys, leave a comment down below what you think is who's gonna be on this laptop right here. I think it's gonna be a prize. It's a secret prize. I think it's my lucky day. I think I don't have to eat a tarantula or delete a YouTube video. Let me know down below. Hey, V, guess what?
What?
There was no tarantula in there, but someone left their laptop in there.
Why are you so happy?
Because I got a free laptop.
No, it probably means that you have to delete your video.
Oh shoot, I didn't even think of that. Well, I guess let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, can you see that okay, V? So hold it down here for you. It says, congratulations, you do not have to break an egg on your head or eat a tarantula, but you do have to
delete a video?
Man.
What? Oh man.
Shoot.
Gosh, Chad, I'm in all those videos with you. So which one are they gonna make us delete?
I don't want to delete any. You know what? I think I'm just gonna not delete it. I mean, what's the big deal? What's he gonna do?
No, you have to delete it. Because
Why?
otherwise he's gonna delete your whole entire channel. I mean, I'd rather lose just one video rather than the whole entire channel.
Did he say he was gonna delete the whole channel?
Yeah, I mean, don't you think we should just delete one video rather than the whole entire channel?
What if he's like bluffing? Maybe he doesn't mean it. He's checking to see if we'll like obey him. Maybe he doesn't even have the power to delete our channel. Maybe he's like tricking us.
I don't know if you should take that risk or not, because like he's doing all these weird mysterious things, like how did he get this laptop here? How did he get the Tesla to drive? How do we get trapped? I wouldn't take take that risk.
He actually already did delete one of my videos, remember that. So he must have my password or something.
Let's just take care of this. I want to crack an egg on my head because I don't want to delete a video or my whole entire channel.
I gotta sit down to do this though. Let's walk over here. Well, I guess I'm gonna delete my YouTube video now. It says I'm supposed to delete my Fergie parody that I did, it's about 2 years ago almost. 111,000 views, and I have to delete this video.
Oh man.
Doesn't that suck? All right, let's see. I don't even think I've ever deleted a video before, so I'm gonna go here, click this down arrow, and then there's a delete button. You can't undo this. Oh man, this is nerve-wracking. Ready for me to delete it, B?
Not really, but I guess it's way better than getting your whole entire channel deleted or getting hacked.
True, very true. I'm just gonna do it.
3, 2, 1.
I don't wanna do it. This sucks. 111,000 views gone for good. 1,300 comments, 1,300 thumbs up. Deleted. There it goes. It just disappeared off the screen. This sucks. If you look for that Fergie parody by Chad Wild Clay, it's now missing forever. But anyway, V, it's time for you to crack an egg on your head. So let's switch places here. I'll hold the camera. Ready to break an egg?
Ready to break a leg. That was kind of bad.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Right here it is.
3, 2, 1, go! You didn't even break it!
I really don't want to do this.
3, 2, 1, go! Weak!
Okay, it's sticking. Okay.
3, 2, 1, smash!
Disgusting.
Ew, that's
oh
so
gosh.
gross. Nasty. Oh, you look really great there. That's a great hairstyle. I like it, V. I like it.
Oh, Jesus, so gross. You guys, I need to go like clean myself up. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for the notification squad. I'm showing your comments right here. And if you haven't seen us trapped in a Tesla for 24 hours, make sure to click here. Subscribe to Chad if you haven't already. And check out this video too while you're at it. And follow me on Instagram at VQuaint. And I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.